In this demonstration, we're going to show you how to use the Durkee Easy Frames, and an example here, we'll attach this to the Happy 7-needle journey machine simply by clicking it onto the arms like a normal hoop would. So slide that under the clips, and that's locked on. And this base allows us to accept any number of different size attachments. So in this case, we will use the 5" by 8" window, and we've attached a piece of adhesive backing to it, and that's how this normally works. Instead of having to hoop the item with an inner and outer ring, we simply slide the item on here and it sticks to that. So we'll put this on here, and there are 2 thumb wheels at the back, and we simply just tighten that down. And the Durkee Easy Frames have a nice heavy-duty frame to allow for sewing on heavy items. And what we'll do in our example here is we're going to sew out an example like a baby onesie, which in this case we're going to slide in from the bottom of the onesie, so upside down. Simply square that up, and you can see that if we wanted to, we can sew with the 5 by 8. Most of the back or the front. You can see how flexible this open arm is here, so that we don't have to hoop it. Press that onto the adhesive, and we're ready to sew. In our design here, we have a little bit of text, but you can see that it's right side up. Since we're sewing upside down on the machine, we can flip that easily, just going to the main menu, and in the settings for the design, we choose this option here, this image of a letter P. In this case, we want to rotate it 180 degrees. Hit OK. You can see the P is now looking like a lowercase d. Escape back home, and you can see that our design is now upside down. All we have to do is hit start to begin sewing. Once finished, all we have to do is lift the item out of the window, and you can see the backing has neatly torn away.